Today I want to show you how to create recipient list for the companies and the people that you regularly are in touch with. The first step is to go to the Counterparties tab on the navigation. Here we will access the risk settings, but we need to do a second selection for the intended recipient list. On the left side, you will see the creation panel. The first step is to give this list a name, for example, trading partners. Then we need to select the companies that we want to include in this list. Finally, we can also add specific emails, and they will also be notified. Please don't forget to add the arrow in order to save them on the list. Once this is ready, you can see a preview from the trading partners and the companies that you have saved. And in order for this to be available, you need to click on the button to save recipient list. Your new list is now saved and visible in the overview on the right. You can always edit it or delete it in case it's not valid anymore, or you want to add some new companies in there.